Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Savoy, local and long-distance movers near me. Upgrade your long-distance move with the right options, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing the right long-distance moving company will make your life easier. Relocating is already stressful enough when you're moving 100 miles away or more. Let us make the moving a part of your relocation easier. Choosing to hire an Illinois moving company will give you the right help you need. Sure, a local move isn't going to take you very far, but it's still a big job. You still have to pack up everything, load it into a truck, and unload it and unpack it all. We can handle the entire job for you, or at least the heavy lifting. 3 Movers makes your local move super simple. We streamline the process so you have less to worry about. Our team will get you settled in quickly. Even if the move is very large, we can get it done in just 1 day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Savoy moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.